Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take long screenshot using S.Capture in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this page. That is, I would like to take long screenshot, and by using S.Capture you can take long screenshot. For that, go to notification area and click on S.Capture and click on long screenshot icon there, and screenshot will be taken. That is, long screenshot will be taken and image will be scrolling automatically. It will go up to the end of the screen, and if you want to stop at a particular point in between the screen, just click on the screen and it will be stopped and click on save. This is the long screenshot using S.Capture, and if you want to edit, you can use editing tool, or if you want to delete, you can delete it, or if you want to share it, you can use share button. Click on edit button now, and you see there are various editing tool. Here cropping tool is available. You can also use rotating tool and click on the tick mark, click on save. Finally, this is the long screenshot using S.Capture. To locate the file, go to files from our phone and click on internal storage, click on DCIM, click on screenshots folder, and at last you will find latest screenshot. This is the latest screenshot, and this is long screenshot that I took using S.Capture in my phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.